What I enjoy about the course is mostly the dancing because of all the choreography.
It helps us to know what career path we're going to go down and to develop skills for later on in adulthood, yeah.
I really like the choreography I've been given, the dancing, the idea of getting together and devising dances and grouping up and stuff like that. I really enjoy it.
The best experience of this course so far would definitely have to be the final performances.
This course has given me like inspiration because before I wasn't really confident who I wanted to show to the world. Like I didn't want to show who I was. Teachers here, every single one of them, maths, performing arts, they've helped me, they've guided me, they've made me comfortable here, they've made me show people who I want to be and confident and stuff like that.
It was easy to make friends with my teacher. She made us to do work together. It just made it a comfortable environment. I think it's a good place. It's very vibrant and a diverse community, yeah.
It's made me more confident as a person and I can see a huge change in myself from when I first started to now.
The role that the college has shown me is you can walk in here feeling safe. You can walk in here feeling that there's no one out there who's going to trouble you or make you feel uncomfortable in the space and the area that you're in.
If anyone wants to do it, then it's a good decision to do if you want to break out of your shell, gain more confidence, make more friends. And it also gives you that extra step to step out in the world and just be who you want to be.